Now I would like to call senior student chess number 3. Chess number 3.
चन्द्रघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनी तथा सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति च अष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा प्रकीर्तिताः नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि विष्णुनुते भगवति देशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते
Wow, it was marvelous.
You know, Twisha, people who have it have more work, more time, and are able to accomplish their goals more efficiently. To become punctual requires lot of self-control and self-discipline. A punctual person is admired by all.
Now, Mohammed is going to give a speech on punctuality.
Respected parents, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am your child Vasai Mohammed standing in front of you. Oscar Wilde in his work, The Picture of Dorian Gray says, punctuality is a thief of time. On this auspicious evening, I would like to have an introspection as my own self as a student. The most important characteristic of a student which distinguishes from all others is punctuality. The well-discipline and the nature of punctuality shows one cultural and civilization. A punctual person never fails in his or her life and saves himself or herself from unnecessary troubles. If you are not punctual, you will be irritated or criticized by others. You may spoil your own opportunities and spoil others too. I may see three things which comes to our habit of punctuality. First of all, for you, it is key to success. Secondly, it divulges your integrity. Third, it manifests that you are dependable. For every children, being on time is key to success. Follow the life of great people who have achieved fame and success and learn from them. It enables and encourages us to do well in the every field of our life. It helps us to do well in every field of our life. Time and tide waits for none. Those who create will achieve success. Secondly, it divulges your integrity. The one of the best literature grands of England, Robert Ford, in his work, Stopping by Woods and Snowy Evening, writes, woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. It talks about the integrity of a person. If anyone wants to keep the promises, the first and foremost thing is punctuality. Thirdly, it manifests that you are dependable. It shows one character. It helps us to achieve the goals and achieve the heights. A punctual student be always found in his or her work and demand to be do, and people kept in faith and be there when they demand. Dear parents, I was talking about the most important characteristic of his or her student learn in his or her life. We are under formation. We expect that our teachers and parents should be form us to be fullets. Thank you. Have a splendid night. Enjoy ahead.
Thank you, Mohammed, for your inspiration.